Today we'll talk about how can you disable marketing notifications on your Tandem app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go above with your profile, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on notification settings, click on it here. So then when you click it, then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on notification categories, then come to this list here. Then you just go down, come here to marketing. So then you click in this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's main marketing notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like it, subscribe.